we'll finish the session with an FAQ. At this point in training, clients always ask me, I really like this preview feature, but can I go in and edit it? Well, the answer is yes. You can edit it via this link here which says boilerplate, but you can also share that boilerplate with people too. Often you might have people that want to see it, like someone who's doing ads for you. They might say, can I see all of your hex codes? Can I see your fonts? And you can say, yes, I am going to share with you my boilerplate, which is just your domain name or site name /boilerplate. Okay, and you can just send that as a link on your mobile, in messages, wherever, and they will actually see this as a page which they can view on their mobile or of course on desktop or wherever they are. So /boilerplate, you can actually share this page with all of your color swatches and so on and so forth. Okay, now I will just go and update this. I'll show you two things. So let's go into the boilerplate. The first thing I might do is change this image. This image looks really cool, but you can see all of my images have come across from the onboarding. But I can improve this by changing the button color. See, the colors have already also come across into our buttons. So I can choose the pink here if I wish. And then I also mentioned that they've come across into forms. Well, the forms, this is a dynamic element. It's pulling in a particular form. In this case, it's pulling in the form that's called short light. These are all the other forms that are currently made. Now, because this is a dynamic element, it doesn't always pull through the colors in the back end, but on the front end you can actually preview this and it will be in the exact colors. So just be conscious of that. Now you can change all of your forms, all of your form colors and settings in the forms area, which we're going to cover later on today. The key takeaway from this bit is just be aware that this is a placeholder. So when you see a form, it's not always the exact, it's just we've taken almost like a screenshot of it, and that's, you're going to learn much more about the reasons why, and I'll go through that in day 3. But just know now, if you're looking at this, don't try and change the color here, it's actually in the forms area. So that's it, that's a quick FAQ on boilerplates.